assistant professor in University of Oklahoma. It was published in 2010, so it's a recent article. In the article, the author explores the question whether people supporting removing a book which contains racist beliefs in public libraries from the public libraries. Do you understand? Whether you will support to remove a book which contains racist beliefs from the public libraries. Still?
Yeah.
Go on.
Oh, okay. And she used 6 questions to guide her research. The first one is, did most respondents support removing a racist book? The second question is, did the rate of support change over the 30 years? I mean, from the 2006 to 30 years. No. It's from the 1976 to 2006. Did the rate of the support change over this period? And the third question is, did respondents' opinions change by demography factors? I mean the population factors. And the fourth question is, did respondents' opinions change by geographic factors? Do you know geographic factors? Yeah. And the fifth question is, what personal belief systems affect respondents' opinions? And the last question is, did respondents' opinions vary from different occupations? I mean, different jobs. This is the 6 questions used to guide the this research. The method the author used is the general social survey. This is the National Opinion Research Center. This survey was conducted by the General Opinion Research Center, so it's authoritative. It increased the reliability and validity of this research. The independent variable in this research is the removal of racist books. And this independent variable is not changed, but the dependent variables are changed. Is that right?
Right.
There are many dependent variables such like education level, race, age, parental status, sex, geographic factors, religious affiliation, and political conservatism. And then through the discussion, by analyzing these factors, the author figured out these 6 questions in the end. Firstly, did most respondents support this decision? The answer is no. Just 64.7% of these respondents disagree with this decision. And the second one is, did the rate of support change over the 30 years? No, it's nearly the same. And the third one is, did respondents' opinions change by demographic factors? Is yes. The author analyzed this to solve these questions by analyzing the factors like education level, race, age, and parental status and sex. Nearly all the dependent variables are analyzed by this question. And the fourth one is, did respondents' opinions change by geographic factors? The answer is yes. And the South, especially the people from the South America, will support to remove this racist book from the public libraries. And the rural areas and smaller towns will also support to remove this racist book too. And the fifth one is, what personal belief systems affect respondents' opinions? There are many beliefs, such like Protestantism, and Baptists were most likely to support this decision. Maybe they are more conservative compared with other beliefs. And the last one is, did respondents' opinions vary from different occupations? Yes, the librarians are less likely to support this decision, but the K-12 teachers, I mean, the grade school teachers would prefer to remove this racist book from the public library. Also, the author discussed people's opinion about removing the books on homosexuals and communists. The positive result of her survey indicate that there is increasing social tolerance toward these small groups of people. And my opinions about removing a racist book from the public library is disagree. I have 3 reasons. The first one is we cannot escape from this kind of books, reading materials, just because they are sensitive to some kind of people. I think the black people, I think people, especially the black one, should face these problems bravely. I think it's not shameful, it's a part of our culture. And the second one is we need to do research and solve them. If we lack of this kind of material, how can we do research with them? And what the researchers need to do is to figure out these questions and come up with some solutions to correct the reader's misconceptions. And the last one is we, and I think all of the people in the world, should be tolerant to this kind of small groups, because they can decide what are their colors or races. So they born to be like this. So we ought to